Welcome back to Crypto Fund and welcome back to another ICP Internet Computer Update. Let's quickly jump into the Internet Computer Price Set and see exactly what we are doing with the price set here. So this time you see a wyckoff accumulation pattern on your daily time frame, and this is what we have been talking about for a very long time. So spoiler alert, this is actually a very bullish structure. So if you are expecting ICP to be bearish in the immediate short term, I think that is not going to happen. So we are looking pretty bullish right here on the ICP Internet Computer Price Set on the daily time frame. So without awaiting examined, let's quickly jump to the 4-hourly time frame here to see what probably is happening in the immediate short term. While then you can also see that, you know what, we are breaking the downward sloping resistance, back testing it, and we are continuing to go even higher and higher. But also I want you to notice that we are in a range here, which you see the top part being around something like $16 thereabouts, and the bottom part being something like $10 to something like $8.65 thereabouts. So this is our range, and you can see that the price is sitting right in the middle of that zone right there. So usually it's very hard to take any sort of action here because there's really easily a normal zone, and there is a 50% chance of being right or wrong right there, which is not something that you want as a trader really, because you want to have an edge, because when you are playing against the odds, right, it would have actually been much better to take action right at this point here when we were saying that, you know what, for the most part, the carnage is done and we are heading to the upside one more time. So what exactly are we expecting in the immediate short term here? Let me quickly show you by means of Fibonacci retracement tools right there. And you can see that if we pull it from the very top right there of the range to the bottom of the range, you can see that we are facing a specific level here on the Fibonacci retracement level. So that is something like the 0.618 retracement level. It has held the ICP price set for, a very long time at this point. If we want to measure and see, the first time we got a rejection there was already something like 26 days ago. So, this is a very strong resistance level right there. And I expect the price obviously to eventually work at this level there, because there are also some interesting signs that we are seeing, even from the market cap of ICP, which is slightly different than the ICP price itself. So this is the level that we need to break, the 0.618, which is lying something like $18.8. And once we are breaking and closing $13.8 here for ICP, we are looking set to break the resistance level at something like $16, heading all the way to something like $60-something. I'll show you that in a minute as well on a daily time frame. So this is where we are with the ICP price, but I also wanted to show you the ICP market cap right there, which is looking much more fantastic. So as I mentioned already, the ICP market cap and the price set itself, they have slight differences because of the circulating supply, which keeps increasing, and sometimes when there is not enough demand in the market, you can see those discrepancies actually much more vivid. So you can see that here, they are looking slightly similar, but then again, if you go to the daily time frame here, let's quickly move to the daily time frame, and you can see here that we have an amazing pattern that is actually forming at the moment, and this is a continuation pattern. Usually you can see we've got an upward sloping support right there, and then we also have got downward sloping resistance here, and we have actually formed a nice triangle there to trade. And usually the price target that you are making for this year, the technical price target is usually the biggest part of this triangle here. So you're looking at something like 76% pump right there if you're breaking close above that, in the downward sloping resistance that we have for this. So we are looking at the market cap of ICP, looking at something like $10 billion plus, and that is going to be fantastic, obviously. And if you're seeing the market cap increasing by something like 76%, we can also be rest assured that the price is going to do even much more on that price. So we are looking at maybe something like an 85% pump from where we are sitting in the immediate short term here. So this is really nice. This is showing strong in my own opinion. If it does show as something else, really, I'll be wrong. But then again, this is just my game plan at the moment. I think ICP is looking very bullish. So going back to the price that itself, you can actually see that here, if you come in the above, we just mentioned from the very top of this wide part of this capitulation here, you can see that we haven't even reached our best previous level, which is actually something like $22 thereabouts. This is another price that we have been talking about for a very long time, and I think we're going to get there eventually, right? But these are usually like the lowest in the worst case scenario. This is what you expect. But there are other big suspects where we are looking at something like the 0.618, as well as something like the 0.702 figure adjustment levels, and that is $53 to something like $60 for ICP in the immediate short term. So to summarize everything, we are looking at a break and close above something like $18.80, and then from there we are looking to break that resistance there. The next big price again that we are looking at is something like $60, $64 thereabout on the ICP Internet Computer Update.